Abusuapanyin de say letter bi ebe to abontia na letter no eye Pakosohene ensa na she letter na sia ene eye endorsement e chese Pakosohene ena abusua wa endorse eye new abusuapanyin blefo ne de na sia kunya so na enam so ama eye Pakosohene de nsa ahye letter ya sia e kire se wayi eye abusuapanyin dada Kofi Wusu efiri won na nsem beto abontia enam so ema eye wahene be media edin sembi ba beto abontia wakase se Pakosohene ensa hye letter na sedia ene papa no ne tike kapa ya wanhwe ya na kunya kura oteso no ebetimi abono na abusua obeka sa asem ne yanti asem bia ma asem da ho ma nene amene wakase kase idie ensema Pakosohene dia beto abontia se wono sa letter na beto abontia no onim ho hwe ene onim ni pakora ode sa letter no ebaye ena signature no kura mpo no enye ono Pakosohene ene sign na no ene busia nsem twetwe aso ne ebusa se ene na ehwan ene yes adi abusia yankoi ne yankokwaje nsem no nchirimo no amra ha gusu yotumfo ba TV Plus okoni yebeko
na
yare ni yeshai so yeshai
yare okay the deliberate ba wa sheda say
yeshai yare
AbusuaPanyin ho me ni associate AbusuaPanyin me dey make can say ayana ofi say the world revolves around him honestly before say obetie dade no Pakosohene de ne yare ekot na dade so abetu dade so abahene a friend I don't know or the beto abontin no was the only time or the beba ho dade so abahene epa o kire ne baabi a won hia no ne ka to only time or the beba ho but ono ne ye a peso omoba ho dia afedi o se me hene frame a me bibia me ye bie wo se me jai na me ba papa we
no sere o ka so bi akwala
papa we o cheso pese ono de ohia bibi dia obia enya de ofema no
so mo ba
bibia fi ne ho
onim se Kofi Wusu we nyina echi okodade so aba o se nkomo ma ne letter nkokoti ama no okomensia
dade so aba na okoye o me de me tie ne de okomensia ankasa se unse
fati yama wo secretary na ma wo mo
unse ye de ni si ayi no Pakosohene de ne kochia
ko to ohia leto dade so abanza no akoko
enti no na okoji proof say ye de na bechia otumfo because unse fufuro no ohene ne nyamfa ne nko otumfo ho so enti no se ye trodin to ho de a ono na ne din da so da ho enti omuma ne letter kire se ehwonom no ono na ne din da ho se oye Pakoso ekona AbusuaPanyin eno no na yamfa ama no enti ko nya
sa ko Pakosohene nkoje sa letter no
na me de nka menka ho no me twa ho na ja
yeso nko Pakosohene ho nkoje mra enkoje no no huntimi emma ne letter
eno no na yamfa ma nti se ko nya eno a na ka wo se de new one prove say so so ye de a amamre se de okochia otumfo won so de we so what you say not is all the no account no but when you no na sisi ade e wo se by force Pakosohene opa wonpo first ni antimi anfa ne phone so but sisi ade wo se phone so opa wonpo wo kase enye wono
na lawyers na omode Pakosohene
me da dia matira ho me hu se
no, but let me tell you something before a lawyer would take a letter to court and yes will be actual letter no or the court could defend you. It has to go through a process. Nasa process no se Pakosohene feel say letter no on dear tribuma he will go back to the lawyers and tell them say letter na me ametroye no me debank letter no and also obetro formally say o debank letter no na lawyers ne dia ka ho na lawyers ne dia ka ho nye obi o friend phone so kwa na o ka say letter nyo on natural it doesn't hold water because letter na wa tro no it has gone through a process
na no mobit me ba ha o kasa obi sa no question
me person busa na no question
okay any bisa
question. We say the letter has to go through a process na me pacha process be in the court
me patcho process ebe go through ne say lawyers no mo mfa ne say obi keke na wacho letter de aba. It's a process. Omo bedi kan ne na kasa. They have evidence of that. All that conversation. What you penny is a letter. Me patcho me ba. What you penny? What busa me question mama answer. What you penny is a obeye letter ma omo. Sinye se Pakosohene o sorry ya o say matcho letter koma lawyer. No. Probably the lawyer might request. Say musumo tunampa. Munko mo head ho be catch any client. Munko mo head ho. Na monko je letter nembra anai be a lawyer name ene be a contact ohene no say be okay so what to no mo de aba na wa sign ya see bia any shrub a formal document even as to how obetro letter no somebody has to guide ohene no how to write the letter. Me up ninyina me pacho ninyina sa processes ninyina wo enti me ma say letter ne kekesi ni e de aba no ohene na be deny say ye nyame na me chiro you lawyers omo nya omo ade esa they will have an evidence a chese papa na nkasa e na trust a letter na ansana omo nya vem etimi disa because this is a very critical assembly just any ordinary assembly. Until they can't just take a letter be as I know they are kojina kota kuchantro e wa brenye Pakosohene ne kan it is a Pakosohene decide ene se letter no me ana me troy but ene mada sorry me feel say me mfa ma hoodin ana me tumi entire letter na chibio it may withdraw lawyer ne be na go through a process actual formally e dia ba no mo dia koma court ntinye obi say asem sana me pache
madam we are very good to make a follow-up question it me pache no what did you say the first letter no it went through that process
of course
and what did you say first letter no from Pakosohene
of course
me das manuasi
follow up to me idea first letter no na Pakoso's two lands letterhead and omudi kind buy and sound actually
sa letter na buy and pacho eno ne court na
but me who say is it from the same Pakosohene no
me be say sa letter na muhu ye no eno ne da court document ne so and I say letter be da abontin
frankly the signature na also be as to say that documents will occur to them I don't know but me say signature na wo way so na no na wo so eno nso na wo way
okay
the best me who say no the di kan buy no na two lands no letterhead and was no ohene na ne sign.
What I don't know and what I can't attest to ye said they did can buy sa sule ne nuna lawyers ne de court na nye no mo de court say no mo de court would they hypothetically ye ka say no mo de court say ye no na mo de court the me patch ne say it has to be a document lawyers ne ye sure lawyers ne they are going to make sure double sure say Pakosohene and na sign. How do you even know say Pakosohene call office and a letter ni mama? How do you even know? They would have a witness a just say Pakosohene. Obi ntimi fa letter keke enkoma lawyers and kanchre wo say e Pakosohene natural without going through authentication. They will never do that. They are very big law firm. Go and check. They are called Kulendi at Law. Go and read about Kulendi at Law. Omo one of the best law firms in Ghana. Omo that's so number 3 say do you know the institutions they work for? They work for all the top institutions in Ghana. So they don't play. They don't joke. Omo betra homa yembe revoke your license because of Obi SMC. So they will make sure.
No matter the level of way.
I'm not talking about winning. We are not talking about winning here. We are talking about
can I say the firm is one of the top notch churches.
We are top notch into there are certain mistakes they are not going to make. And not just as in be 100%, but I'm saying that there are certain mistakes they are not going to make. They don't play. What you say? Sana me pache. Yes.
Me pacho, are you making this statement based on hypothetical statement and answer facts?
Whatever it is, I'm making it on facts.
So you're making it on facts? You have evidence?
Exactly. I'm making it on facts.
Evidence. I'm
making it on facts. I'm making it on facts. Maybe I know something you don't know. Maybe I know something you don't know, but what I'm trying to say is law firm na family ni use this time no. Omunya sebi law firm omuye shoddy work. They work and work well. And not just a chenchana assembly ombe dibiano or more women, but certain mistakes and kitten be what they will make. Pakosohene, they won't.
The statement that I will make to me, no dear, is an assumption.
Okay.
And you was rightfully so when you did mention, say, you making a hypothetical statement. So okay. Kind of sad, yeah. It will be safe with me. But okay, say, you are making a statement based on fact. That means that you are standing on something. Ain't you know, me no dear, so evidence I can use.
No evidence saying.
So see, you are making the statement based on facts, right?
Me say, as my make a journey say, oh, can we na moka letter ho asem. Na me make a say, letter na ohine de omode court no. Enye letter biasa. A letter a authenticated. Lawyers they make sure say a letter if you ohine ho. And common fan ko record to them and ko to omo file so. And no be say letter be babontin. Letterhead ni is two lands. And I see. Mean for a fact to say. Okay. Yes, a letter no. And na womo de call court. But from what I know, a letter has been issued from Pakosohene to AbusuaPanyin lawyers no. What you say? I mean, It mean set a letter na babontin no. No. And no more de call dia, but whatever it is, na ye letter stamp su by from Pakosohene. Or see, Bema see. It is a ne obia banu or see Pakosohene si letter no nim ho hwe. Eye morph. The member me magie di say Pakosohene betro letter formally to the lawyers to withdraw the letter he wrote. Se Pakosohene entumi anyesa antro letter anko court anko withdraw letter no tro ya me amabo ntia me nyina ehu awidi bi na obi ka kire me se wa frɛ Pakosohene ma Pakosohene se enyo no adia. I am never going to accept that and I'm never going to believe it. What if he was dragged at the moment and obi frɛ na what if that tosi ne so no obi frɛ no sesa na no a memfa unless ono actual letter could debunk the watcho earlier on no die oka dia no oye de bekire ye da so ya no pana letters de da bonten se Pakosohene si oni nsem bia wo ono ane choice oboa. Hallelujah. It's a game of chess. Obe winning no no winning.
My last question, ma, me busa.
You can go ahead.
You did mention say the original letter, no, the initial letter, no, was authenticated. Meboa.
Yeah.
Who authenticated it?
Me say when I say make authenticity atema, what I'm trying to say is lawyers name file letter bia obidia beshe woman semenko. They will make sure that it's from the right source. That is where me authentication word in free buy, you know. So, authentication enye die ye can say just a pass you through her nibi. Lawyer no would make sure that if you're in a probably, what if they invite him to the office to come and sign and now to bring it personally? What if they went to him to write personally and they have witnesses to that? What if that happened? All I'm trying to say is the lawyers are not just going to take any letter bikeke from maybe a sebi mama China ne diako or se Pakosohene na lawyers ajia tundi akogu omohene omohu obi keke dia banom dia kogu omohu ani mas wo court. They won't do that.
I agree with you. But what makes you a point, because what I wanted you to confirm, then say authentication it came from lawyers, It's not from a third party institution.
Oh, David, it doesn't have to come from any third party institution. Now they say, or hine obina a true letter komu be say, ma stamp so say, me a man penny for me fear to be. Omo de abre me magia tum. Say me AbusuaPanyin a me yi ne se onhwe machini. Inti onu nko ne bi asem no nko yi mrefi. Ye bede ne agye di se wona odi sa a letter ne kan. Oh okay. Nana ne letter no na ade kan. Okay nana ene yenye bibi e chese formally bi ye wo a wona ode letter na bampa. Nti eno na make us going through a process. It doesn't mean say there's a written down process. Was a fem. Ebi a lawyer no side no. O bibi a waya se chine bi adanse ba. Na na kase nyo no ne troya. The lawyer can pull it out to prove a point say yampa ono ne troya. Inti na make us until there's a letter from Pakosohene debunking the letter in court. Obi ntimi meka nkyere me say Pakosohene see letter no nim ho hwe.
So you say that you don't believe your brother no.
Oh no.
I can't so many times it's on Jindi.
The media a letter to be the basa Pakosohene throw letter. Edebe ye beda be sorry anopa. The Pakosohene put a issue a letter out there. Say onim ho hwe enyo no and that letter na Pakosohene de beba no so no. It should be a letter authenticated and I say a letter edim. Na ebia wa man ne chia me abekasa se minim ho hwe obi di midin na akogina court Pakosohene so wo chia me o spokesperson
so the question back say
enye obi fufuro ne be free other side abeka asama kire me na ade meti wo obi a address ya
how many questions na we bisa
wo obi a ne ho ayefa ne kuraje atum se ne ho ayefa da
question enti nana no mo me pache wo. What do you think will be the outcome of this case moving forward from today?
I don't have an idea, and I don't want to have an idea. Ekun ena ewo mrem, ewo mransem, ena ewo ahini aspect wo ho, which is omontam no. Ena ewo court de enso ho. Enti no, let's just sit down and yenwe ye popcorn yenum wa wonum club ye koto club wa wonum coke na Coca-Cola na fire popcorn yenhwe. We shouldn't worry ourselves too much. The ebesi bia no ye benya results and the ebesi bia no obi abe accepting in good faith. What you say a court to for what
the legal wise for accepting in good faith
omo accepting no yeah accepting na the verdicts abebe benyina ekoi na de nansin ye koi ya ye AbusuaPanyin eyitum say he should be part of whatever court process. See any J. Odobruni for more by the end of the day, then I'm be accept it. What I na ye Lucy ye. Say ye Lucy, yeah, by the end of the day, we move on. He said that's not the end of life. It's whatever it's if a court for her na say ekoye wura ho. Na se ntam na se no mokoka. Die besi bia ye wura na ntam no. Obi ntimi hye ye wura da. No obi ntimi didi atem say ye wura the verdict we aba. Ebi nsi. Ye court nso, ye ka asem no. Die bem wo no se bem wo no. Die odifo nso so odifo. Ntimi de eno de ye njama mpanyifo no bata me mete wo na obi mekura. Abeka che me se mi shu achia de me mfada. Madam ka che me se mi shu achia. Media tumba mekura meka che me se mi shu achia. Ema mi nyi ni se mi shu achia mpa. Aden ohini ba mi do e Pakoso chia.
Let me be your question.
Aden Pacho mo dem ba asem ube scrutinize me ana. I'm also a member of the panel just like you guys. In na be dim kwara say we some questions to to said there. I said me Mr.
But
you can go ahead. Go ahead.
In your whole life, what is you see your acting chief and acting AbusuaPanyin that?
Of course, Mate Bebre. Your acting chief or hini bi wo wa te se Pakosohene ya o ho sisi a ne ho dodo ni. Obetimi de obi asine na so amana acting wo onu nanan whilst he is not well. Me hu bi a yedi na si ohene na so be 10 years no ohene ya reche dem. onye hene obati de na si ohene ne na so baby ohene ne sese okoye bia no ono ko na wakotu saa na mo no ba na obe report ama hene no wati ase mehu bia nti nya nwanwa
nti sisi a
AbusuaPanyin na o mutu no se nye se asem wo court omuhia bi animanimi ya maybe nkonyi acting kombeto omubu no mwesi fufuro but asem wo court and one thing people don't get and say enya letter no omudi tu omudi tu no omotu ne deda but because asem wo court no enti no endorse letter de court ontumi nsori nko court oyare se bia nkobekwa kodi adanse se AbusuaPanyin no yetu no ana obesuma obi but ne wondodo no enti de no betimi aye the only thing he can do is to write a letter enti se maybe se ba se so okọ no betimi aye zoom maybe obe zoom akasa enti no omoya no omkasa ye mfa letter ntu AbusuaPanyin mfa letter ne ne de yetu no deda na letter is just a confirmation in court senka in court asemu ni mu a nka letter bi ehia bibia letter ne se bi wan fa comment letter ne se bi wan fa Kofi ko pacho si
lumba nsensem mesi lumba nsensem ni edi tu na si ni etu ndadansa na
AbusuaPanyin no ana wo hwe de oni na abusuafo yitie ne de odi aye omo a ufu se lumba nsensem
odi de na aye omo apart from se Kofi bomadi asem
mi no nyina se ete ha ena omo keka wo omo nsem de odi me no mi free Pakosohene nsu free Pakosohene
etinka like Kofi bomadi na request ye nke ko sa de anka omo ntunu enya sa
me patro no de mi ntimi kire se enya me no enya mabusua ena wo nso enya wabusua ntimi se ne omo keka no de omo di tu na lumba nsensem no omo di tu na omo abusua de omo pe no omo de omo abusua ye me wo mabusua de me ne mabusua pe
it's not fair some person why don't you focus on the appeal no obi no kuna
me patro no de untimi kire se obi kuna and I don't say I don't think say abusua they are so daft say obi kuna nti obi ye papa obi ye good obi bua wo mo
bisa say senka Kofi bomani ma na o ka
me patro na se wo mo sinkonya omo nkonya kra no AbusuaPanyin onwu nkonya onwunsa for so many years ena me kase minu mienu ye nyina ye wo ye busua me sume wo mabusua obi abusua nkwan ombefa so a ombe ye omade enye ye sabi wodi komenhia kotumfo beka cho se ye wo busua sem mimindi abusua sem eko Pakosohene kan straight away o say utuo na sem ye wo abusua sem entama sem na memeka mintimi nsi obi AbusuaPanyin mano inti for them
just
to sit
bring
down,
the certificate that's all
for
it
the
needs.
Pacho, this has nothing to do with a man. No. It has nothing to do with a man wearing or more
But you Akosha side are just focusing on AbusuaPanyin just to really
that's what
relieve the man.
That's why you think they are going to appeal. I'm sorry.
And AbusuaPanyin supporter.
I'm sorry. There's an appeal. There's an appeal. Appeal ne baso live and colored.
I'm just saying that say BBI certificate na bano. Certificate na bank BBI so etwa.
Certificate na be so etwa. Say number nti na omutu AbusuaPanyin. AbusuaPanyin according to them has been tormenting them. So they don't like him. Enye lumba asem. Inti no mami se wa asem de danche mami se wa onye omobusua ni.
Se mami se wa okwa appeal no wini AbusuaPanyin oni hwe obetumi aye.
And now we are getting it wrong. We say two omut enye mami se wa nti o. Mami se wa de ofa ho ben. Wo free nsuta wo free nsuta wo free Pakosohene. Emfa no abusua no
Madam, some the worker they met me aka say it's not fair because so me di ya pa ni woman e friend Gina mama ya kosa se wa ne friend no tam mu to AbusuaPanyin were you aware say no it's not fair ni na ensan kokko
me pacho ma me ka se mo
it's a gang on person mutu no
me pacho ma agina no Pakosohene ho no ono ko odida o nti se no ho no mutu na ma ofu se ma agina
den no ni
ofu se ma agina betumi akọ Pakosohene
it's a gang on person mutu no it's a gang
you can say whatever you want to say. You can even say that. It's okay.
Enoba. Me pesa me samba ko to ha me to awia. Enoba me ka se me wia me ko. Kofi Wusu ni bia ni mistake
no bia. So who imagine.
Na ombo me forget imagine asem me ka se ma besi asem.
Na imagine kwa no ni what that day.
Enoba.
Video by na you here.
Enoba hold on mami kasi wia mesi akọ Kofi Wusu ni biggest mistake e wo wiase a wo ye na omu na busuafo no omu o mo so mo ye nipa audios bi
madam
obuo mo so mo ya tantani obi o ti kasa mo kapre
uma na samamba nka monte sa asamneda
Kofi Wusu ya tune se bayire ya tuno eno ne na ma ye
viewers
Take few more minutes later,
yeah, true.
Few minutes later,
Mo enjoy 2 seconds.
And I'm saying you media to me, and Timothy Miakasa. You know,
money Jenny view one, money Jenny view one.
Yenny media mutimi, and you view once because 30 minutes yet me is a 1 hour yet me change court without any court verdict, without any appeal or anything, court judgment without any appeal or anything. We can dismiss the court and you fair lawyer says bra
ma'am yes I
made a minty
for court conditioner junction
and I make natural was say I didn't see that one kind of first time no
now we need scan our copy man
lawyer no
natural was say obi needs scan as obi to go
lawyer no
on can first time na
well mo problem is mo sua ade mo ko gina platform bi so ye can trust them
Messi, yana mo kasa se obi wansi class 1 dem da na mo de mo na mo
kasa dia
wona usua de usua de wo kasa de
efipenia usia bibi
boss you your platform just let that one go when you say that it's kind of disrespecting though we are here just to learn. Madam, calm down. Oh, sorry, calm down.
I'm not insulting her. How they say me? Listen.
Madam, calm down. Now respond. Just calm down. Calm down.
Retract it before you.
Governor. Undermine
Mommy,
anybody. Oh, I drink chara or person chara. You just go straight to the point. No, watch your drink patcho. You'll be a drink and you'll be happy. And Tina patcho, and Tina team the phone meaning in a bahano. Into bar, no, I drink also only be made a madrin chili and ask him the mission to say, no, what can I drink, Mr. Because we
yeah, but you so you service you.
Ba ube shia de na obeka se ube shia de na wa nya o ma no bia what ma na
obi ba na say won say
itu ko ka de mo
all can
so de tie je ba to tie wo kire wa adwen a so obi pa wo be fa wo de na so obi a wo no so na fa so tim so nya obi aso so na be ka asem wo be fa patro atase
Adepa Matias
ni ba de kora ko ka heaven kora na nya obi aso na wo be ka asem wo be fa ntino e ma na me ka te wo obi shia de no aso wa kire wa adwen na de obe fa no apa
ye na ye really court verdict ni bebre but obi ba obi ba na so all different thing na ye ntene no because ye na share obi o platform so on really court verdict but so obi ba no all bibia
no na me ka kire wo se obetimi a kire wa adwen but enko ka nkire obi se obi nhua de sese what
on the market
no na me kire on ntino no ba you osusu unu bi ya obi aka say your rubber also no aka say okay osusu said that from the court verdict and yes and it's he say want me condemn obi be kwa wakasa kwa want me kan hwe oba me hu so wa max service bia
no one was there me for so because me was say na assembly obi kan wa hu enye sa na si wo court ho sa
okay nti ka de si ye na person ka ba ye no wa ye o so ni bibi no be customer say ni
okay
you can
or say court no omo judge no mo ko ba no sama we no enye sa na tie lawyers no na omo anka ankyere omo chita for no wa hu nti na omo dwen say court no verdict na eni na ye ba ko wa hu ni na ye ba ko enye say judge ka so mo ko no sa ka say o matia
so kwa una ka de si you didie ne pa de si ye kire mpacho ka kire na nti
I mean I'm talking about 2 million Ghana cedis assembly si wo court no no o ka say die nti na judge no mo ko ya ansa na o ka say mo fa sikambra. That was not the case on an America judge na ma obi an ko say o fa sikambra omo tiase wo court wo two lawyers na tiase wo court wo hu omo bageni ye say ni na ebesi wo hu ye betumi atuase we no say no ye bagi say nti judge na fanala zain say mon ko fa 2 million ma but wa omo anko omo na mkwa so no ka say obi ko fa 2 million ma that wasn't the case wo hu na America
na we dey okay na wo verdict ni ma na patro
yes
na verdict ni so ma anko ya ma anko no
yes matie lawyers no utie lawyers no omo be ka cho say na isi wo court wo hu yes
okay yes
yeah nti me so ma adwen nti say once again say me ka asem no so man kan ya I mean me sorry why me mo obi adim tia why sabi nti me that's it
yes that's
yeah
it's no one bia kan oh okay
awesome
because no so take it
me ye duma ka ka bende ta cho de peso ka so pesi ya kasao Bafo.
Adepa mo me dem itie bi na me o mu ya na me dem questions aba.
Na do questions o don kasa questions ana.
Na adepa di ebeka bi o mu ntie ya me meka so.
Ya beka na o ye na ya na mo ka na mo bo.
Enye me na me be convince obi a o adepa. Me be convince obi a.
Na do obi a convince obi a. Obi a che na do.
Intermediate me no o ya na me busa me questions nko a.
Obi sa question na wanda be masa me o do kasa.
Me twe omo.
Me no be submission ha.
Me twe omo submit me de me nyame na mbe obi a de.
Then obi a che wa de de.
Ah omo se me bisia nti me ba na me se no questions na me busa.
Yo. Ne monta so na montwen. Se wa na be kasa. Baba ko ba na ma to ma no oguso mu busa question mu busa. Ye ne wo se de kasa.
Okay.
And me go,
yes.
I don't want to carry a promise.
When Kofoba.
Go for it.
Bamunam Quaso, but Miga for no co baby, I feel nominam Quaso, Bomba.
And it's a portrait in the for no
Yeah, I was in your power. Opposition for no and Namasi, nobody are near the go.
Frosona brand, George Church and was on their more Frosona and discussing.
Me pamucha Mr.
Mama cash now the say.
Yes, I don't know.
I'm a cash do my friend about.
Mama cash must submission on your moon with a question. I went there.
Make us free for AbusuaPanyin. What's seven way home from the from the beginning.
Hey, me come back. Sorry.
Ne akasa say AbusuaPanyin omuntu no. Odasu ya AbusuaPanyin. Odasu AbusuaPanyin omuntu no. Musomo tuno. Mwa jibeniso. Mudie. A few minutes you laugh, a few minutes you cry. Sana mwasa metie. Die na musa di akinjese. Ohini babwa. Enye bibia omukuma neye muya. Mu bleedi.
Akash famama obiani
famama. Bleedi etina mu meniewu. Menine wo. Wati. Afide muse ohini bebwa. Ohini betumi aba bonti ebe kasamu wei. Body pedise onye susu bia body kasam ne nyina se na sam no tie edi nipa kwa group pe na mo mi de mintiase o group be kwa na mo de form Luba samwe ba ye mumma ya sunjo ye mo refri hal echrambe kase echra chimbe kase echrambe kase echra chimbe kase ebalese mi pisamo mi yenjintum wonko fa leta bra wonko fa
baby de me ngwan nsi baby obefa bia so hia omo ho so obefa omo ba gina na omo din kuku na eba fie and so still so monti ase ese mo se ayi ohene no na de letter ba de se nyo ohene no ye infita se ye se nyo ohene mo se ono na ode etu AbusuaPanyin watu no ave de ba ye da ye se ono na acho ye se o se nyo ono mo de mo se da bi ene o agese mo hu se ono
ma submission wo so ma obi kana san wo beji aka man mama kasha kasa ade
no se kina ye ba ko atu no so be katumi akasa
won kasa no wo se wo twen am obi abe kasa do lisa no question oba makasha kana san mapi waje kwesi kawasa o wi ana ono so aka na le o ti beji obi asa mon kama
de bia tira mo so yenjintum Mujidietum, onko fa pepa bembra. Nipa nu koho, nipa nu adin komo. Okay, so mujiduma. Adenti na papa no mu freno. Owa hifie wonko. But that almost share Friday, Thursday, papa no wo omukromu ho
even nkɔfɔ no soma sɛ no mo di kan no ɔmo kan sɛ o na ɔmo nyinaa na ɛba ɔmo nim deɛ nti na ɔsɛ wɔn ba bio wɔntumi ba bio ɔsɛm wɔ yɛ ho ɛkɔ wieyɛ no m'ani bɛwu papapapapapapa ɛkɔ wieyɛ a m'ani bɛwu adepa bɛka sɛm bi fa yɛ mami brings ɛho n'asɛm wei na ɛba out so ɔmo kɔkye chicken sɛ chicken ayɛ de nti na nipa no na atwa foto no post a monchi ɔno mom sɛ wɔde ba social media no so o posti di ba social media no sɛ no mo ka ho asɛm ɛno na yɛka ho asɛm mo sɛ mokɔkye obi yo sɛ mokɔkye chicken deɛ ɛne modi kan akyi moda deɛ waka ne pempentu pempe ɛne modi kan no mokyi ɔno why modi kan no mokyi ɔno kyesɛ yɛabrɛ mo Ripa ye mami from the beginning asɛm wei yakasa kasa mami sisa wadwene bɛka AbusuaPanyin ho ne mu nyina mo ayɛyɛ wei fine mami wei si da asɛm bɛ na ɔmo aka mami wei ɔsi da because nkɔfo bi ɔmo push no ɔmo so ɔmo donate sika ma no ɔmo ne wieyɛ wei crop asase ani o asase ani asɛm bɛ wei bɛkɔ wieyɛ no aho nuguaseɛ na ɔmo de bɛgu mami wei aho nuguaseɛ pa na mami wei bɛkɔ mu aho obia bɛka sɛ
mama car original
yes obia bɛka sɛ sɛ Wusu no hwɛ na mo kɔto ɛfo no ɛma o nua no aho n'anim okay sɛ siasa ɔmo kɔto nua fo no a ɔmo bie so sɛ bɛhwɛ n'anim a wobɛtumi atwi ti kora sɛ ɔkɔkɔ adaka no mu bebia na ɛduru sɛsɛ afi baako na ɛyɛ aso wobɛtumi ɛti na asɛm wei sɛsɛ ayɛ too much hwɛ bebia na woni nam akɔda kete wei ɛnyɛ wo size wo yam ɛba hwɛ ɛduru baabi a ne ma yɛ respect yɛ age no yɛ adeɛ a ne boɔ yɛ den yɛ ma respect ɛba yɛ page mu sɛ wobɛ ate film o sɛ awada ne atrɛ so obi antumi ho na wo sere woyɛ wei hwɛ w'anim last bi mu kɔɔ hɔ wone mama China wei na odi n'akyi mama China ɔmboa wo mama China mmom ɔsɛe wo adipa sɛ yɛ mami bɛtie a nansa wei moment wei na ɛwɔ aka kakra ne 1 year so wɔngyae biribiaa ne koko ne nyina wɔngyae to hɔ wɔsesa n'agyere wɔbɛka ne ɔfa ho no mu ka bom ne akɔda no mu no mu ka bom no mu yɛ 1 year wei ne yɛ fɛfɛfɛfɛ ne tafoɔ mu ani ewu wɔbɛka AbusuaPanyin ho no mo ye ade we fefe 1 year we fefe na ye krabe hwe eye se bebia no ni na bebia no ni na de enfa hwe ade we no ye wunia no wusu do no enu su do ni ba mu wakra ho ni ba mu wakra afi ne yakos esu ubaye no uni na makra but efie ho want to me ko ao kojukura kora no nesua ekofa kora wi edintuma echichire no wuchi uri akoda wi na modi ako want to me ko won kura po ne be yade we what man since omu me since my bedroom say no man tia sem we bi o Canada we ni me first time minia sisa wadwure wai sisa wadwure ka chere nkofo we no omu pushu say me de mu chibio me ko na mini mi ofa ya ye ni aye omu bu omu nye oshi wai makasa ye
Makas why ade panyame shira
Nachi Jimmy
Mama China bre me say Mama China Mama Kasha bre me begina kasi pui me begina so ade pasi pui Mama China
what's all count
se mu ya ye ko fa Mama China se mu se da hwe ayi omu ye wo Legon Park hwe asa na Mama China yidi odi asakro bi be cross on kra kekehwe ko bo na pampa mo pira no
wa
wa mi jadai adepa di obi apelo be ko Mama China chane na sisi ya obe cross no so ati asi na fe ye kan asem se mem kodi na chi mo si puoi ade ne yakoka se me ni na chi we wale ni sheka we kasaba Mama China Mama Cash starting yes one Koni Street or the Kofa baby answer no blessing wow other day ne mama so mu mama trust for brimpom Mama Cash de no brimpom ade na so onkohwe lumba ma me gwana me referee brimpom Mama Cash kra na mama akai no
and I'm saying nanye nti ne ba han ka ho aso sasa akwada
abuse letter okay abusha adepa we dem srop we de nka obetimi abo hene ba odio na asa mame na mame tia nka be me depa mentie yo enti na mentimi nka bi won so mo kasa mentimi nka bi mentie ye mi koti afri wo ha ya pena ya metie mi nsemu me ko ba bi koti a fake
adepa on never said no mama menka kakra they say no competition ba bi aduru no say ampa ma wa enye no kre e koma wa no kre ta no ho say aduru because utie nsema na amanfo aka o ha o heba media se mo be kan ye no they say o mai ni say ye nsemuhunu enye no kre eye ntro na odi na sabi asemi si o heba media meka asemi ma me ko jase wada sa asemi se ne besi asi oh eduru baby a na yese baby a ye wonti no ye yama nkontompo sabi edi yanim kan oh letei Pakosohene What the boss order na atwere no be any ho but ye nuanom agidi ye ebo se eto ho party nyina yanka hwe ye boa omo ye no mo didi bo mu na ene table na ten a omo se daabi ade pass obe kaya da bia metai bisa future MP wa say in case papa be ka say letter yi onyo ne twere ya na ye papa be for so akoka court asem hu die na betimi asi aya question ma bisa saa da bia me bisa ba se no ne ye nwan bi no be ka say impersonation no honko ne ba me de me gidi say me offer Kofi to park Victor Kennedy ho was an Pentecost elder on the on see obia for impersonation and in guasie and a sabi ye papa brefo awie ya ebeka no na sabi and in guasie kan kugunta enkruma mfa no hu ni chese mama chana mo so mo mfo mo hu ni omo be fere papa ade omo pagya ne ma kogu no sabi asante mamre no ya sena to the level wa o kan ba bia enye since when and ye twere krata wa asante amamre mu ekotu obi ya kasa adi enye sa na tie papa yi oni mama mre ene amane nyamo ka ho asem no yes sir omo say ono na twere ye
Odobro ni nua adwuma na wo ye na gina na tenase na kasa ne enti o wi anu akoto adwuma ne so
me enya adwuma bia papa yi ono na twere ye say watu na numtuo so omo say ono na kan isi say di mpa na yenye that ben na pakosofo ombenya omo fa ahode afiri ensem
I odobo ni am misa wasemo enka other team no for members ni na asemi baby I critical ya obi e pede e free ba na sisi ena omo no kofa ana say omo bloggers ni so eyede the announcement and information be by ya ka wo beje the announcement
adepa wo beje di onji ni o mo aka to beje di onji ni o mo aka omo an mo be ka kire say in any rumor there's a little iota of truth e kan ho nje omo da wo so omo e truth ni nyina afirim adepa sabi Ohriba media started report ma manhia enye nne oka manhia sem enye nne menjin say with the exposure Ohriba media wo or the credibility ebe to asairam abeka nsema enim achara mansan onye bi da enu na ese ye de tu yetimu no sabi ye bra no asema oka no ta oni no prefri baabi a enka onka ntino elia omo beje atum no ena ebeboa omo so omo jitum ntema breeding no esobeti but omo anja ntum ntema adepa I'm telling you say ade me say adepa akense be kwa wie na obi afa ho awu I'm telling you kense be kwa wie na obi afa ho awu because na ebi mo echiama omo a omo pressure kosoro omo kasa no fifeti omo
kasa
o say no ba arepanya mia last obi be kan no ha say oti asemi kura na chese aya asema ba toilet tim kan by force na aya asem keto a obi asema toilet tim kan wa say ehu ene ye maami owuro o si fife kura ete no Yay! And then my basa, but say, plans are say, Adipa, if we are
me pacho me say me bisa asem kakra.
Pacho.
Aja o kasa mpese me bisa wasem kakra na
my asem with you.
Nane me first day amaba moyi so.
Oh, good, na show.
Na me pese me bisa se me no as menim die mu kakra no menim se efrene se obi abusua pani ewo abusua bi mu a menim se emam panifo wo abusua no mu ana omode no esiso na se duru ba bi so na entiase bi nya dwuma na ne ma achia ewo nipa na yede no esiso no ho a omoa so etimi eyi ne free so na minim se enye ohene ana etu eye abusua pani se bibi chia eye mampanifo na ne san tu ne free so na minim se ohene de otimi ya ne se obetimi ya endorse bibi se bia sasemi akodi court yi ode ne no December kan bi afa ho a ode bia nkrata bi ba endorse keke na kire se the man penifo no ye no efa emra kwanso ana mamre kwanso ana of omo ye ya na se enam efene sen amamre kwanso ti me hu ni se letter yi me be question ne se letter ya e ba yi se ya mpase ohene no enyo no no chno yimpo a aso me hu no o de nya question po me hu no se e won sunsuan question po me hu no se e won sunsuan I say, a man no kore say, omufa amamra kwanso. Ana etu abushia penny no ana say, omanfa amamra kwanso. And the minimum say no kwano. Nipo betime decide sa sebuyi. A friend is saying utumfo. Na me hu ni se even po dade so aba henene ahemfo ka ho no tumi kula se ombeka se friend say letter na Pakosohene tuno ene say ono no tuno you say ono no tuno you wan enye sanko tuno ana say namra kwanso ntino abusuapani enko ensanko di na abusuapani minimi say otumfo pe ne wotumi wo sase mbo hu na obe decide na numpo no ono otumfo no krampo nso entimi enkase no ofene sen abusuapani no enkonkonko di na abusuapani wo mleko a yansa ye ofene sen mampanifo no nyine ntum because minimi say sa ende abusua de otumfo na kasa kase eno no abusua semo a abusuafo omo konko komasem aha inti no letter mi hu ni se letter ya nkase munkula wo insunsanso bia awasembu iso because ekoko to klampo a court ne ba begina ho ana judge ne ba begina kase abusua we abusua pani we ne yemfa ni sisi abusua pani ana se ni so abekwa san ba before a man panifo no ewo abusua no no omo no decide say we ni adnisi so ana se ni we ni adnisi so bon nti asem we no me mati pa na mahunu se bisa me question me bisa papa ya ne se fa ne se we abusua pani ewo abusua bi mi yayi se abusua pani na ewo mu a asem si fie ne yeton safrawo oma yeto sumbi ne yasen aton safrawo wanko yaton safrawo wanko yaton safrawo afro wanko ne mumu no program bi koso de utimi address kama omleko a obusuafo twen wo fie se omhia wanko live na program bi koso na de utimi nya kwan de kwa aso na odi obu de ma obusuafo na ene wo mampanifo na wo fie me koso me bisa wono no se nka wo na ye busuapani a ana wo ye sa nka wo ankasa no nhu ni se yetu a ese fatasi yetu ana se ense fatasi yetu me koso me bisa wono no.
That's a question. My silly question. I will be saying, number one, my main phone first narrow be more sana. My best tattoo question. I can say,
that's it.
There was a who could be accounts our bank Eddie Usika to wire. Process I'll be from who could use carrying process now from.
Okay.
Go through different process and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Very good. And number one. Two, a teacher for after meeting. And as a headmaster and a free meeting. Me no me bisa asem on papa me you nse na but me the whole start
me too pa
the school a teacher for school ma headmaster na free meeting and a teacher for na free meeting.
Oh, so headmaster na free meeting meeting.
Aha. Ti o hwa asem na ye ka no. Abusua bia no ne hierarchy no se ohene eni abusua no ma ne hierarchy no AbusuaPanyin.
Okay.
Na offer meeting anya abusua foro na offer meeting to omonsa efre no. That is one.
I am wrong.
No, me wrong.
Ode committee. He's right.
Na phone to me frame to say afre bit AbusuaPanyin bra. Eni ba akama mu ba bia. Number 2. Abusua akonwa tuntum adam no.
Correct.
Ya ka se mampanfo a ye wo asia hene a ewo abusua no mu. Leadership bia ba omo no modo omo ni duaduam penipa no se ni pe na yayi no. Ye de na koma oba hema no na yo oba panyin a ye nana otumfo nana ye bo mu ase. Odafio. Na oba hema no ede wakoto hene se AbusuaPanyin a omode na banie. Na ohene no aendo so ko no ohene ka se ompena. No matter man penfo na oba hema adwuma amaye no enwie pe go no e fana personal. O se o endorse no.
That's
Nti se anu si a one abusuafo no enti bi AbusuaPanyin entimi enkofre ohene meeting. Ohene na eso ofre AbusuaPanyin meeting. Until in every family there's a hierarchy of whatever you want to do. I don't know what akamamu. Into one, ne omo ye say ya to ye nsa fra AbusuaPanyin so omra no enchirebu. E no kwa na akamamu na enchirebu. E na opeso otu AbusuaPanyin na enye wo e na utu no. Wo e mana mu ofie no this time no hema ni ho no. Mu kobo mo charge e kire ohene no. Na ohene apene say kwaku mensa. Ye ma me mpanfo omo ofie se ne waye na tisan. Na oyi ano ne se anto ohene na sum yi afre ma ne so se na nipa na kaba me de anto ma sum nti no na mo de aba no me fre no afo aso na ya hwe obi fofo ba ma me ntna ba bi nka so omo atu no abra obia entie ne asi enfiro no
so mo frɛ no wanko
sabi ana ohene no da bi ohene dem frɛ no
da bi man penifo no frɛ o ya frɛ ne say AbusuaPanyin so
no why AbusuaPanyin he is the head of the family won't mean for head of family to na meeting on a free meeting
we say o chire mani me chire meeting
head of family no na free meeting won't mean free meeting or free meeting na head of family emra me meeting go akama muda nti no mo ye ne de no that's not the right way so mo hia abo na charge a omo ko kan cho ohene no na capacity ohene no wo say obetim de endorse no o endorse sa capacity no at this moment no ohene ni sa capacity no nti wo no ka say what to do kra na endorsement is a problem. That's what is at stake now.
Okay. Mate.
Because me I say be yeah what I mean say you feel cry you wo until wo bet ma afre o papa meeting o papa oni ni tifie no ni wo nua no wo nua bet ma tena sa drop asa o na munye meeting
enti me ba unti say no problem
when are you meeting o you won commodity
no problem because the okan na mate the okan na mate ti emfa ne say obi abusua ti na onye ne niema yie a sese wo se obi ani tumi sɛ ɔbɛfrɛ no meeting enti sese kwan bɛn no mpɛ sɛ ɔmo ne didi nkɔmɔ a kwan bɛn no betimi afa so na di nkɔmɔ